A galaxy is a large group of stars, planets, gas, and dust particles bound together by gravity. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes and made up of approximately 100 billion stars. Our Sun is a star, and all the planets around the Sun are part of a galaxy known as Milky Way Galaxy. Our solar system is about 25,000 light years away from the center of our galaxy. Just as the Earth goes around the Sun goes around the center of the Milky Way. It takes 250 million years of our Sun and the solar system to go all the way around the center of the Milky Way. All the stars we see in the night sky are in our own Milky Way galaxy. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way because it appears as a milky band of light in the sky when you see it in a really dark area. There are billions of other galaxies in the universe. Only 3 galaxies can be seen without telescope. The Andromeda Galaxy is one of them. It is getting closer, and researchers predict that in about 4 billion years it will collide with the Milky Way. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.